Good afternoon. I'm here with Sylvia Jost at Hillside School in Closter. Good afternoon, Sylvia.
Hi.
Sylvia, what do you teach?
So I'm the K4 science lab teacher at Hillside School.
Awesome.
I used to be a fourth grade teacher for 7 years, but I've been doing the lab now for 7 years.
And you're in your element. You love it.
I absolutely love the science lab. It is just, it's the best place. We do tons of projects, lots of hands-on things,
Yes.
STEM projects. We get to work with animals.
Yeah.
We get to go outside and explore. We're lucky enough that we have tons of woods around us and
Yeah.
a stream at the end of our property. So we do a lot of
Yeah.
science outdoors and
Right.
inside the class.
Right. You teach the kids that science is not something outside. It's something beyond the area. It's something right here in our home. It's in our backyard.
Right.
It's at the stream down the block. That's
Exactly.
awesome. So tell us about the trout project. I think this is awesome.
So our school participates in the New Jersey Trout in the Classroom project through the New Jersey Division of Fish and Wildlife.
Yes.
And basically the way it works is with $1,000 you get the equipment that they ask you to get. So chillers, because the water has to be cold.
Yeah.
A pretty big tank.
Yeah.
And then come October you get about 200 to 300 trout eggs.
Yeah.
And it's a great program because the kids get to see the trout hatch.
Yeah.
We get to talk about the needs of the fish. So depending on the grade level
Yeah.
and how much information you want the kids exploring,
Yeah.
we can go from the simplest thing, which is
Yeah.
like the trout life cycle,
Yeah.
all the way to water ecology and why the fish, what kind of water do they need?
Right.
Clean, fresh, cold water. And
Yeah.
we do all kinds of experiments with our stream.
Yes.
And then related to how the fish would be able to live in the water,
Right.
if they could live or not. So
Could they live in the stream down the block? Or in the
unfortunately, our stream is a little too shallow, and
Yeah.
weeve learned that it has some pollution in that
Yeah.
water. So
Because you guys tested it yourselves.
right. So what we did was we did a leaf bag experiment where we filled an onion sack full of leaves, put it in the stream for about 3 weeks,
Yeah.
then fished it back out, and we got to like pick through it and go looking
amazing.
for macroorganisms, which are the food that the trout eat.
Oh.
And then looking at the macroorganisms, we can compare and we can see, based on what we find, how polluted the stream is.
Wow.
So the kids really got to learn that A, our stream is not that clean, and that B, the fish wouldn't be able to survive there.
Right.
Ultimately, we also used Google Maps,
Yeah.
and we tracked how the stream flows into our local reservoirs.
Right. So what are we drinking?
Exactly. And they were pretty disgusted that eventually that water
Yeah.
was coming into their homes.
Yeah.
So that also led us into building water filters and talking about how to clean
Amazing.
our water and the difficulty with cleaning water.
Yeah.
So it was
Wow.
a really great project we did with third grade.
That's amazing. And just to wrap it up, you go and you actually take the trout to the Saddle River.
Yeah,
And-
that's part of
Yeah.
one of the experiences, and a good thing for the classroom because we don't have to deal with the fish over the summer.
Yeah.
Come
Oh, yeah.
May, we get to release the fish. So we're
It's like they know school's ending.
yeah, exactly.
Wow.
The fish, the kids
School of
know.
fish. Okay. Yes.
So
Yeah.
we take the fish to the Saddle River. We
Yeah.
have a special permit from the state.
Yeah.
And then we do a little water exploration. We look at the water. We go and see if the water is a good place for our fish.
Yeah.
And then we get to release them. So
Amazing.
it really comes full circle, and it's really a great
It's
project.
awesome. I can't wait to share this program. So thank you for sharing more about it. Your classroom's amazing.
Thank you. Thanks
I feel
for
like
coming.
I could learn so much from it. So thank you so much. And here's to Closter Public Schools.
Thanks.
Awesome.